You guys, I finally got a new iPhone, and before you guys go into the comments and roast me for getting the new iPhone, my current phone is an 11 Pro Max, so I think this upgrade is valid. Anyways, you guys have been watching for a long time, you know that I have a problem with making my intros unbelievably long. It took me a minute and 30 seconds to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max 2 years ago. Oh my god, it's 2023. Anyways, let's get this opened up. So first we have this little pull tab. Don't need a knife anymore. Oh, they have it on both sides now. That's cool. Satisfying. Yes. All right, guys. Time for the big reveal. It just like dawned on me that this is the newest iPhone sitting in front of me, and it's about to be mine. I need to just do this. I've been waiting for like a month. Okay, I have to do it. In 3, 2, 1. I don't even want to put my fingers on it, bro. Ooh, this is new. And I said this in my last iPhone unboxing. They made the symbols for each button color matched to the phone that you get. They tend to have a different color each year. So this year it seems to be a little more neutral. Maybe it has some green undertones to it. That's what I'm seeing in this light. I already got my fingerprints all over it, but look at that. Yeah, let's take the wrapper off. I can't believe this is mine. Oh, I can see the dynamic island from the view. So you can see my iPhone 11 and my setup. Okay, so one of the problems that I thought I was gonna have is that the phone would be too big for me to use, because I've noticed that the 11 Pro Max is smaller than the 12, 13, and 14 Pro Max, but turns out it fits pretty well in my hands. I'm actually really excited to get to using this. Oh, it's so perfect. It's perfect. And I had doubts. that I wouldn't like it, and I love it. It's like, you're kind of like, not sure if this is gonna be the phone when you're like watching the event or you're like looking online at the details, but then you open it in person and you're like, oh my god, this is amazing. Here's the front of the phone. Dynamic island. Oh, you can see my ring light, and you can see all the fingerprints that I already put on it. I actually have the $20 Apple microfiber cleaning cloth, and I give you guys full permission to roast me in the comments because why did they make that? And then back again. All right. If it turns on, it might not because it's been sitting in my house for like a couple days now, but let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Okay, it's charged. Yes. I'm so excited. Apart from the new crash detection and satellite features, the iPhone 14 is not that much different to the iPhone 13. It's done. That was so fast. Literally everything from my iPhone 12 video is repeating, but that was so fast, bro. Like, what the hell? Here it is. Anyways, as I was saying, there aren't many visual differences besides the dynamic island, and not many differences in the feature set, but there was a speed increase, and I'm coming from an iPhone that's like almost 4 years old at this point. So I'm pretty hyped. So there are some features that I'm going to be trying out. I don't know if they're going to be in this video or not. This might just be a pure unboxing video, and then I'll talk about the phone in some other video. This phone's been out for 3 months now, so there are already a bunch of reviews out there, but I can test some things on my channel just for funsies. Let me put this back and let's open up some other things for now. Since the iPhone 12, they've started to not include a block. Thanks a lot. So now it's really skinny. So all they include now is a Lightning to USB-C. Why haven't they switched to USB-C on the phone yet, though? They did it on everything except the iPhone and iPhone accessories. Anyways, this just so cute. Cute little USB-C. Definitely don't need any more of these. They should have stopped including these and just put a block. It feels so firm now. I've noticed that these last a lot longer than they used to, which is great. And then in here, there's a lot less documentation, so I do applaud them for that. And we have one Apple sticker. Yeah! You no longer need a physical SIM card. Thanks for telling me what I need. eSIM, baby! Not sure how I feel about it, though. I kind of like the physical SIM card. I know the international versions of these iPhones do have SIM cards and SIM card ejectors, but they don't provide it in the US anymore, I guess. I do have a couple more things to unbox before I set up the phone. Anyways, the next thing I'm gonna unbox is my clear case. I actually wanted to, well, I unboxed this last week. If you saw my last video, I unboxed this case that I got straight from Apple on my channel. It's pretty cool. It's just a regular silicone case. And then I also got the clear case from like when I was placing my order on Verizon, and remind me never to buy an iPhone from Verizon ever again. So yeah, here's the clear case. Yes. Ooh, it looks shiny. It looks like glass. It's so pretty. pretty. It's like a crystal shield. And you can see the MagSafe cutout right here. In case you guys don't know what MagSafe is, it's basically this technology that Apple made like decades ago.
We call this new feature MagSafe. That's magnetically held in, and when the cord gets yanked, it just pulls right off. It works beautifully.
Basically, the device will use magnets to connect, in the iPhone's case, accessories and charge. They used it in the older Macs. They stopped using it for a brief amount of time, and then they realized that it was stupid that they removed it, so they put it back. So yeah, we always win in the end. It's pretty cool, and you can also attach accessories like you can also attach accessories and cases that are compatible with MagSafe, and it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, I will almost never be using this case because it looks exactly like my mom's phone, and we can't have that. So, new iPhone, guys! New iPhone, who dis? New iPhone, who dis? Here's the other case that I got. You guys already saw me unbox it, so I'll spare you that. This is the one I'm probably gonna be using, actually. I've got a question. Not sure how I feel about the little ring around it. That might get on my nerves. But it is a case, and the case works. It kind of looks nice on it. Kind of. Of course it looks nice on it. It looks nice. I kind of like how the blue undertones, I kind of like how it complements the bright gold. I just want to say I'm really gonna miss my iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 was such a good phone. I love it so much. It is like one of the most beautiful iPhones that they've ever made. This is beautiful too, but the iPhone 11 was so beautiful. Ooh, that's cool. When you silence or unsilence, it shows up. Uh-oh, found a bug. So I am going to cut the video off here, but I'll leave you guys with some sample photos that I took on the 14 for the review that's coming soon, along with my iPad mini review, because I did get a new iPad and I'll be posting that unboxing within due time. I'm only cutting this video short because my audience retention is... But yeah, thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. Here's some photos. Vlogmas Part 2 coming soon, hopefully before the end of January. I know I said that last week, but...